How to block a sound on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block a sound on TikTok. So basically sometimes we don't want to hear some music or a sound of a trend. So all you need to do is now go back to your TikTok and I'm playing videos, and now I don't like this. All I need to do is click on share icon and click on not interested. I keep seeing this not interested. There is a multiple options. You can click on why, the reason why you don't like this sound. I keep seeing this. I don't like the brand. The content is low quality. All you need to do is click on that. I'm gonna click on I keep seeing this. So thanks for your feedback. Now this sound, it's never gonna be showed again on your TikTok. And this is it guys. It's so easy to block a sound on TikTok or some category of videos. And this is it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.